So hello guys, so the topic today is about density of the substance and the specific gravity. So this topic is under to the chemistry for engineers subject. Gets? So first, ito yung formula ng density of the substance. Density of the substance, the letter P, and M is for the mass, while the V is for the volume. Gets? So next is that first problem tayo. So while the specific gravity is the density of the substance over the density of the water. So ito yung mga constant na value ng mga densities, and the specific gravity naman is nandito rin. Gets? Game. Let's go for the first problem. The specific gravity of an organic liquid is 1.2. So specific gravity is 1.2. So calculate the volume in liters of 500 grams of liquid. Volume in liters, tas 500 grams of liquid. So the letter M is for the mass of 500 grams. Gets? Next, yung specific gravity natin is 1.2. Input lang natin sa formula, specific gravity is 1.2, while the density of the substance, is the letter P, is unknown, and while the density of water is 1.00 grams per ml. 1.00 grams per ml. So cross multiply. So 1.2 grams per ml is equals to density of the substance. The letter P is the density of the substance. Gets? So next is calculate the volume in liters. So next natin gagawin yan is what? Substitute the value of 1.2. So from the formula, ito yung letter P natin, which is 1.2 grams per ml is equals to, what is the value of mass? Letter M is 500 grams. And letter V is for the volume, which is unknown. Cross multiply 500 grams is equals to 1.2 grams per ml of V. Multiply sa V yan next, cross multiply yun. Next is that divide both sides by 1.2 grams per ml and 1.2 grams per ml. So this will be cancel. So cancel. Ang natira is ml. So 500 divide by 1.2 is equals to volume niyan yung natira, which is the letter B. 500 divided by 1.2, eto yun, is equals to 416.67 ml. ml na lang kasi yung grams is na cancel. So ml na lang natira. Next, the volume is ml. So calculate the volume in liters. So convert it into liters. 416.67 ml times ang 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml over 1 liter. So cancel. So 416.67 times 1 all over 1000. So the answer is 0.41667 liters, or approximately the volume is equals to 0.42 liters. Round off na. So this will be our volume. Gets? So next, for the number 2, if 1.5 times 10 raised to cg means centigram. So yun yung mass natin. Ang 1.5 times 10 raised to cube of Cg. Sa Cg is centigrams of a volume of 12 cubic centimeter, and calculate the specific gravity. Specific gravity is unknown of the substance. The density of water is 1 gram per ml. Ito yung density of water, guys. So, let's say dW is 1 grams per ml. So, gets, guys? O, game. Let's proceed. So, yung given tayo ng mass, wait, palitan natin kulay. Given tayo ng grams na 1.5 times 10 raised to Cg. So, kung makikita nyo, naka-Cg siya, guys. Naka-Cg. Dapat sundan natin yung sa unit ng density, which is grams per ml. So, convert it, guys. So, 1.5 times 10 raised to 3 Cg times, the Cg means centigram. So, ang 1 Cg is equals to 10 raised to negative 2 grams. So, is equals to, this will be our mass. Mass is 1.5 times 10 raised to 3 times 10 raised to negative 2 all over 1. So, means that our mass is equals to 15 grams. Mass natin yun. O, next is that the 12 cubic centimeter is the volume. The volume is equals to 12 cubic centimeter. I-convert natin into what? Into ml. Times the ang 1,000 cubic centimeter is equals to 1 liter. Times ang 1,000 times ang 1,000 ml lang sa taas. So, yung nasa baba, automatically it is equals to 1 liter. 1 liter. So, this will be cancel. Ang natira is ml. So, 12 times 1 all over 1,000 times 1,000. So, this will be equals to 12 ml. So, the volume is equals to 12 ml. Gets? O, dahil meron na tayong mass, meron na tayong volume. Ang pinapahanap kasi is what? Specific gravity. So, next, the density of water is 1 gram per ml. So, yung gagamitin natin formula niyan is given na tayo na mass tsaka volume. So, yung density of water given na rin. So, anong kulang is density of the substance para mahanap ang specific gravity. So, P, the density of the substance of mass all over volume, ang mass natin is 15 grams, while the volume is 12 ml. So, 15 divided by 12 is equals to 1.25 grams per ml ang density of the substance natin. So, ito yun, yung mga naka-check na yung bagong values natin. Gets? So, ang tinatanong is specific gravity. From the specific gravity, ang density of the substance nakuha na natin, which is 1.25. While the density of water is given from the problem. Given na siya sa problem natin. Gets, guys? O, first, the specific of gravity. The density of the substance is 1.25 grams per ml. While the density of water is what? 1 gram per ml. So, next, cancel ang grams, pati ang ml. So, ang natira is 1.25 ang value ng ating specific gravity. Gets? So, that's all, guys, for the topic. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.